Experience the natural healing power of Bojin therapy, using buffalo horn tools for your face. This traditional technique involves gentle zigzag strokes to massage the skin, helping to unblock energy channels and improve blood circulation. The buffalo horn tools stimulate your skin, encouraging better lymphatic drainage, detoxification, and skin renewal. By clearing these blockages, Bojin supports your skin's natural repair process, reducing wrinkles, smoothing fine lines, and fading pigmentation, all without harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Bojin is safe, relaxing, and all-natural, revitalizing your face to leave it firmer, brighter, and glowing with youthful energy. It's a holistic approach that helps you reveal your natural radiance from within. After your DIY Bojin face treatment, be sure to gently cleanse your skin and apply a light moisturizer to keep it hydrated. Avoid touching your face too much, and skip makeup or strong skincare products for a few hours to allow your skin to recover fully. Always clean your buffalo horn tools thoroughly before and after use to prevent irritation or infection. If you notice any redness or discomfort, pause the treatment and give your skin time to heal. Remember, be gentle and listen to your skin. Don't press too hard or overdo it. With care and consistency, Bojin can help you maintain healthy, glowing skin naturally. Want to keep your skin glowing and your body healthy naturally? Subscribe and follow JMD Wellness and Learning on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for easy DIY therapies you can do at home. We share simple, effective tips and routines to help you maintain a youthful look and vibrant health every day. Don't miss out on our latest updates, tutorials, and wellness advice. Join our growing community now and take the first step toward a healthier, more radiant you. Visit our WordPress blog for even more in-depth guides and inspiration. Stay connected, stay healthy,